Hello everyone, welcome to Pravega Education. I am Atul Gaurav, co-founder and director of Pravega Education. In this video, I am going to tell you different component of Pravega Education. हम इस चीज पर बात करेंगे कि हम किस तरह काम करते हैं, what is our policy and how this policy is going to benefit to the students. As you all know that we are pioneer to provide the guidance and coaching to IIT JAM, CSIR NET, GATE, JEST and TIFR. We also provide guidance for CUET and for MSc entrance. So स्टूडेंट्स, ये बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की कंप्लीट टीम को जानना, उसकी पॉलिसी को जानना एंड उसके वर्क कल्चर को समझना, ताकि आप अपने आप को रिसेंबल कर सको, इन रेजोनेंस में आ सको विद पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड यू कैन बेनिफिट इट मोस्ट. बिकॉज जब तक स्टूडेंट, फैकल्टी, मैनेजमेंट एंड पेरेंट्स इन सब की कोहेरेंसी नहीं होती है, तब तक किसी भी स्टूडेंट का सक्सेस होना लगभग इम्पॉसिबल सा होता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ द प्रवेगा एजुकेशन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाई प्रवेगा एजुकेशन इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कैरियर ऑफ फिजिक्स स्टूडेंट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप अभी के सिनेरियो को देखो और ग्लोबल सिनेरियो को देखो और उसमें अगर इंडिया को प्रेजेंट करते हो, then it is very important that we are inching towards the developed country. So अगर हम developed country की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, वो बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, then what we need a very good research facility, mainly in sciences. और अगर आप साइंस की बात करते हो, then obviously physics is backbone of all the sciences. So students, प्रवेगा एजुकेशन उसी डायरेक्शन में काम कर रही है. We just provide the guidance, coaching, resources to all the students who want to make their career in research, academia, as well as in private sector, as well as in PSU sector. So students, अगर हमारी कंट्री की बात करें, तो अगर आप रिसर्च में जाना चाहते हो, एकेडमिया में जाना चाहते हो, या फिर हायर स्टडीज करना चाहते हो और उसके बाद अपने कैरियर को डेवलप करना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू क्वालिफाई सम एग्जामिनेशन एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी आफ्टर योर +2 एज अ फिजिक्स ग्रेजुएट. और एक बार आप अपनी ग्रेजुएशन जब शुरू करते हो, तो उसके बाद आपकी जर्नी शुरू होती है कि आप रिसर्च के डायरेक्शन में जाते हो और फिर उस डायरेक्शन में अपने कैरियर को डेवलप करते हो. सो उसके लिए ऑब्वियसली इंडिया एक ऐसी कंट्री है जहां पर कॉम्पिटिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर है, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड कॉम्पिटिशन इसलिए है बिकॉज द प्लेसमेंट इज लेस एंड द एप्लीकेंट इज मोर. सो वाई हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने और हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम ने डिफरेंट एग्जामिनेशन को क्रिएट किया है, जिसके थ्रू वो फिल्टर आउट करते हैं डिफरेंट मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स को, जो बेसिकली फिजिक्स में अपने कैरियर को डेवलप कर सकते हैं एज अ रिसर्चर, एज अ टेक्नीशियन, एज अ एनालिस्ट इन अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर, एज वेल एज इन अ गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर ऑल्सो. सो उसके लिए फर्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन है IIT JAM. देन वी ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द कोचिंग फॉर IIT JAM एंड देन स्टूडेंट्स वंस दे क्वालिफाई IIT JAM, वो एक बार मास्टर्स कर लेते हैं, या तो फिर आप IIT JAM के थ्रू मास्टर्स करो या आइजर के थ्रू मास्टर्स करो, यू कैन डू मास्टर फ्रॉम एनी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी. बट इन सभी जगह पर जाने के लिए आपको एग्जाम क्वालिफाई करना होगा. अगर आप IIT से MSc करना चाहते हो, देन ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू क्वालिफाई IIT JAM. अगर आप सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी से क्वालिफाई करना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर CUET. और डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट भी अपने अलग से एग्जाम लेते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रवेगा एजुकेशन इन सारे एग्जाम के लिए आपको कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करती है, गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करती है, कंसल्टेंसी प्रोवाइड करती है इन अ डिफरेंट वे. सिमिलरली वंस यू विल डू मास्टर्स, दिस इज नॉट एनफ. हाँ, मास्टर्स करके भी आप जॉब सेक्टर में जा सकते हो, बट उसके लिए भी फिर फर्दर आपको एग्जाम देना होगा. यू हैव टू गिव सम एग्जामिनेशन. व्हाट आर दीज एग्जामिनेशन? द फर्स्ट एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जामिनेशन इज CSIR NET, जिसके थ्रू हमारी डिफरेंट रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लोगों को फिल्टर आउट करती है एंड दे गिव देम JRF, और उसके थ्रू बच्चों के को नेट की सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलती है, और जिसके थ्रू वो आगे जाकर अपनी एकेडमिया में कैरियर बना सकते हैं। लेकिन आप अगर रिसर्च में जाते हो, देन यू नीड सम मनी, बिकॉज रिसर्च आपका 4 साल 5 साल 6 साल चलता है। विदाउट मनी एट दिस एज यू कैन नॉट डू दिस थिंग। सो वाई गवर्नमेंट विल प्रोवाइड यू मेनली scholarship, and it's a very good scholarship. Currently it is between 40 to 50,000 rupees, depends on which type of scholarship you are getting. Even some places you have more scholarship also. So students, आप अगर रिसर्च करना चाहते हो, पीएचडी करना चाहते हो, then what you have to do, you have to just qualify either CSIR NET, you have to qualify GATE के थ्रू आप एमटेक भी दे सकते हो, और फिर आप पीएचडी के लिए भी इनरोल हो सकते हो इन आईआईटीज। एंड देन यू हैव अनदर एग्जाम दैट इज जस्ट एग्जामिनेशन, आप जस्ट को भी क्वालिफाई कर सकते हो, एंड सेपरेट एग्जामिनेशन सच एज TIFR एंड COET फॉर द सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू भी आप जा सकते हो। सो स्टूडेंट, सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू इन जनरल मास्टर्स में आप इनरोल करते हो, एंड आपको पीएचडी के लिए तो गेट और CSIR नेट और बेसिकली जस्ट ही, एंड ऑब्वियसली TIFR इज द गुड एग्जामिनेशन। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन सबको क्वालिफाई करने के लिए आपको एक इकोसिस्टम की जरूरत होती है। इन दैट, सो उस इकोसिस्टम में क्या क्या चाहिए? ऑब्वियसली आई विल नॉट से दैट आवर education system of university is bad, but I will say they are not up to mark to the competition level, to the syllabus of CSIR NET or GATE. Then what you need a very professional approach to crack it, because competition is very very high. Now अब अगर आप professional approach में जाते हो, then what you need to finish the syllabus at a time. You need expert guidance. You need a very fundamental and basic conceptual resources. इन सबको आप मिक्स करते हो, then you can prepare yourself such that you can qualify your examination. So students, Pravega Education is a platform where you can get all these resources together. So students, I will just tell you about each and every resource in step by step, in point by point. The first thing is our team. If you are talking about our team, this is one of the best team in India, and I can say this is the one of the best team for this purpose in the world also. First, I will start my co-founder, Mr. Alok Shukla. आलोक शुक्ला जी की खुद की एक्सपीरियंस आईटी से पीएचडी करने की है। इसके बाद वो विदेश गए और विदेश से भी एक्सचेंज स्टूडेंट्स के रूप में काम किया EPFL स्विट्जरलैंड से। ही हैज ऑल द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ रिसर्च एज वेल एज, एंड ही इज अ वेरी वेरी फाइन टीचर, very enthusiastic teacher, flamboyant teacher. Every students like him. So students, the first man, he teach you basically electromagnetic theory, mathematical physics, and thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. And then I will tell you all about my second colleague, that is Mr. Jaydev. Jaydev sir is a genius in his own sense. He done his MTech from IIT Kharagpur. After then he done PhD in a condensed matter physics from IIT Chennai. And then he worked in a different government organization as well as some different private colleges, engineering colleges, universities. But he have a hungry to teach students who really want to learn. He leave all the job and he joined Pravega Education as a full-time faculty. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप अभी के समय में अगर आगे जाना चाहते हो, देन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इज वन ऑफ द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। अगर आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को बेटर करते हो एंड आप अगर एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिजिक्स में जाते हो, देन ऑब्वियसली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ दैट। एंड जय सर इज अ पर्सन हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू teach and guide students in electronics and digital electronics. And he is also supporting students for a career counseling and all this thing. And we have also young faculty like Kunal sir. Kunal sir have done his masters from NIT Jalandhar, and after then he has done his MTech from IIT Chennai. Kunal sir have done MTech in condensed matter physics, mainly in solid state physics from IIT Chennai. So he teaches solid state physics here. And with solid state physics, he also teach you nuclear physics and particle physics. And same time, he will teach the basically optics and wave for for our JAM students also. He is a very young enthusiast, and he loves to teach. He has passion to teach and deliver the lecture. If you will see his lecture, you will see the energy. Wonderful faculty. Next, I will talk about the Mukaddar sir. Mukaddar sir is done his masters from AMU. After then, he is the collaborative student of IIT Chennai and SRM Institute. And the most important thing about this guy is all about he is actually passionate researcher. And he himself qualified all the examination. He was ranked 20 in his own JRF examination. And he is passionate toward teaching. He is passionate toward research. And he is currently also associated to the research. So he is just joining us for the part-time. And mainly he is delivering his lecture for atomic and molecular physics. And last, I am talking about myself. I have done my masters from JNU, and after then I have passion to teach the theoretical physics, and I am teaching the classical mechanics and the quantum mechanics to our students. I have almost 15 to 16 year experience to guide the students. And all you know, in my previous organization, I have guided almost 15,000 students, and now I have started as a co-founder of Pravega Education, where we are just trying to match the vision of a country in education sector. Students, we are coaching center, we are edutech, we are consultant, we are guide to every student. So students, what we provide? We provide different type of classroom programs. It may be taken by students by offline, which is a wonderful classroom program at the Delhi Center in GSRI. We have online classes. We have hybrid classes. In the online classes, in the evening, this is the purely online classes. We guide the students and we just teach them for different type of courses for the IT JAM and CSIR NET as well as your GATE. We have hybrid classes also where students can we can live our lectures from our classroom. That will be from the offline classroom. And if you are not able to join any of them, then you can at least go for the recorded classes, which will be the recorded of our current lectures. We send you the current lecture recorded classes, not the old previous lectures. Because syllabus is every day is going to change. The pattern is going to change. So you need to be focused on that particular method where you have all the current features. We have wonderful correspondence course. If you will see our study material, it is really, really wonder. It is compact, it is comprehensive, and there are a lot of questions. Every aspect of examination is in our study material. I can say no one other institute can match these study materials. You can take any study material and it has made by the complete effort of our faculty and our team. Students, अगर आप suppose हमें नहीं भी ज्वाइन करते हो, suppose you are at the very primitive level, कि अभी just आपकी ग्रेजुएशन चल रही है, just आपके मास्टर्स चल रहे हैं, and you want to do it after 2 years, after 1 year, then you should subscribe our YouTube channel. If you will see in our YouTube channel, you have a free lecture series, free conceptual lectures, free different type of playlist. Why this playlist are there? ये playlist क्यों है? Because before joining the coaching, you have to train yourself whether in which direction you have to move, how you have to think. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा काम सिर्फ बच्चों का एडमिशन लेकर के उनका कोर्स कराना नहीं है. We want to believe on the method of learning, and after learning, we believe that everybody perform and get success. This is very important. So students, उसके लिए आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हो कि आप blindly coaching में आकर के join कर लो. You have to work before joining that. So why our YouTube channel is so popular. So popular. At the current date, we have almost 44,000 subscribers within a 2 year. And you can see all lectures are absolutely free, and you can find that all lecture have a beautiful content. They are not for the publicity point of view, rather they are for the content point of view. हमारा main purpose है आपको सिखाना. And once you learn, obviously you will perform. Students, we live in the era of technology. हम आज के समय में टेक्नोलॉजी के एरा में रह रहे हैं. But technology doesn't means a monotonicity. Technology doesn't means that loss of human value. टेक्नोलॉजी का मेन मतलब यह होना चाहिए कि वो ह्यूमन वैल्यू को और सपोर्ट करे, वो उसे और जस्टिफाई करे. So students, we involve technology. We have online classes. We have all these technologies. We have digital boards and all these things we are taking here. But we believe in communication. We believe in communication. Even any online students can communicate his view, his doubt from any method. Either he can call us, or either can take the doubt from your WhatsApp, or even they can come to the video conferencing. So these all methodology we are talking about. Obviously offline people के लिए तो communication की कोई problem नहीं. Every second we are here. Students, if you will see the behavior of our faculties, our faculty are on the toe from the morning 9 o'clock to the night 10 o'clock. Sometime our passionate faculty like Jay sir, Alok sir, everyone can give you suggestion at the night of 12 o'clock also, because they are passionate and they care about this. We are making the ecosystem not for only student and teacher. This ecosystem has component of management also, sensible management. And this management will interact each and every student personally. This management work under Satish sir. He is himself MCA, well-learner person, very modest. He always just try to help a student. He never switched his phone, never. He has experience of managing the students from last 15 to 16 years. At least 20,000 students crosses from the eye of him, either from our institutes or different institutes. Under his leadership, we have counselor like Vandana ma'am. She has psychology background, so she understand what is psychology of people. She understand what is the anxiety of a student. Accordingly, she counsel them. And then we have wonderful team, which are just support team at the each and every level. Either we have Mr. Mathilesh, who is developing our content, or Mr. Vicky, who is just providing all the resources. So our team is, every time we are on the toe. Every time we are on the toe. Even we educate students from our marketing also. This is the wonderful thing. Every video of YouTube, you can see, give you some message, some education. This is the backbone of Pravega education. And students, our team, our management team also try to include parents in this ecosystem, because students are living in the, for mainly online students are living in their home, so parents are really their guide. You can see our nice talk to parents of Pinaki Chatterjee in our YouTube video, that how he support, because students अगर कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट क्वालिफाई करता है तो उसमें सिर्फ वो स्टूडेंट का रोल के साथ साथ उसके पेरेंट्स, उसके टीचर, वो कहाँ पढ़ाई कर रहा है, उन सब की कंबाइंड इफेक्ट होती है। कौन सी छोटी सी बात उसे डेमोरलाइज कर सकता है, कौन सी छोटी सी बात उसे अपलिफ्ट कर सकता है, एक छोटी सी मोटिवेशन उसे अपलिफ्ट कर सकता है। सो प्रवेगा एजुकेशन ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गिव एम्फेसाइज, try to focus on all these areas. Students, these are the main phase, but we have our background support also. Well learner faculties, well learner team, we are just going to advise us how we have to face different type of challenges. For example, we have a very good advisor as a KG sir. Sometime he also take the classes also. He is a BTech from IIT Delhi, and you can understand what is the potential of any BTech students. He has love of basically teaching and learning. We have, in a sense of advisor, we have Pooja ma'am. She's still into the London, and she advises our the course curriculum, our the study materials, how we can present all these things. So we have a perfect ecosystem. Irrespective of all these, we have good friend circle among IITs and all other students. All they advise us such that any students from coming from the basic background can reach up to the maximum level. They can go up to the ISC, they can go up to the IIT, even if they can go to the MITs and all this thing. Students, हमारा विजन क्या है, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Unless until you don't have vision, you cannot go to the up to mark. Students, अगर आप न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को देखोगे, then new education policy is actually trying to match the global level of education. और अगर आप ग्लोबल लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन को मैच करना चाहते हो, then you have to give the training to your student, to your aspirants at that particular level. So उसके लिए क्या जरूरी है? उसके लिए जरूरी है, सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट is sensitivity. And with the full of sensitivity, you have to be disciplined and you have to deliver all this thing in a very smooth manner. Pravega team believe on that particular thing. Students, every class, every single lecture is well defined, well articulated, and the presentation is obviously energetic and interesting. You will never see that any teacher is coming into the classroom with the low energy. We are not believing in a system that we are just going to hide our face and we will just see our hand and something like this. No. We are the confident team. We are just going to face to the student. We are just going to give our face to our camera because we are responsible. We believe on face value. This is very important. So students, I welcome all of you to join our courses, to be a part of at least Pravega family. I request every parents, if you want to develop your child as a scientist, अगर आप अपने child को चाह रहे हैं कि वो career physics में बनाना चाहे, then please encourage him to see our YouTube lecture. Encourage him to just make a communication with our team and all these things. You will find that they will benefit it. So students, we are just starting from the higher level, from the research level, and then from the academic level for the graduation and we are just going towards the next level also. So students, if you want to join us, if you want to learn with us, if you want to perform with us, I really welcome all of you on the platform of Pravega Education and be a part. And I really want that if you are a physics enthusiast, if you love physics, then you must be part of Pravega family. Thank you.